Students, in multimedia from unit number 1, what are the questions you need to learn? I will explain, because if you learn long questions, then short questions will be automatically, you will get to answer it. So as many of the students were asking me to do explanation videos, but I don't have that much subject knowledge in multimedia, so that's why I'm not doing. So try to understand it. So here I'm giving the some of the important and the repeated questions. You take out these answers for tomorrow's examination. Okay, explain the data stream characteristics of multimedia systems. This is the first important question. Here in this you will have traditional data stream and data stream characteristics for continuous media. So these two types you need to explain. Okay, and the next one, data stream characteristic for like continuous media, is separate important question. So this is also important thing. Here whatever the diagrams you are having, you try to recognize, try to by heart the diagrams. Okay, so this is, as it is a 50 marks question paper, so passing marks will be only 18. So you can write it easily, you can pass the subject easily by preparing any 3 units. Okay, if you want only passing marks, means prepare any 3 units from this video, it will be enough. Okay, and next question is, ma'am, you will have what is MIDI and what are the components. MIDI stands for music instrument digital interface. What is this? Means it is established to communicate between computer and musical electronic music instrument. If for example here in the YouTube or any other platforms, if we are giving the music to the AI, means it will rectify and it will show the results, accurate results, right? So that is the MIDI, that is music instrument digital interface. Okay, and what are the components you will have? Hardware you will have, data format you will have, okay, working you will have. Just you need to write this headings, and minimum one page or side by side 2 sides is important. Next, what is a MIDI device and what are the different types of MIDI reception modes you are having. Okay, here also this is also an important question. Whatever the answer you are having, this omino on, poly mono off, on poly mono you will have. You need to explain each and everything. Okay, so this is 3 questions is enough from unit number 1. And unit number 2, students, digital image and animations. From this unit, the first important question is, define image recognition. What are the steps involved in image recognition? Okay, face recognition, pattern matching, license plate matching. So image recognition, and what are the different steps we will have to rectify an image. So this is an important question from unit number 2. So this is having a high chances of in tomorrow's question paper, because as it is having a digital image chapter name, compulsory they will ask about the digital image. Okay, image recognizing steps, you will have this flow chart, like for formatting, conditioning, labeling, grouping, extracting, matching. That is enough. So another, observed image, conditional image, labeling image. This is the flow chart. Like this you need to remember, and each of the thing you need to explain it later. Okay, so this is the thing, no need to draw the specific diagrams, it's not that much needed. Okay, you in 2 hours you will not have that much time. Okay, next, what are the various methods of controlling animations? This is also an important question, ma. Next, you will have image transmission, detailed about image transmission. This 3 questions is enough from unit number 2. And unit number 3, data compression standards and storage. Data compression standards and storage. Here the first important question is, what is JPEG and what are the different sequentials of JPEG standard? So this is an important question. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Okay, so this is the thing of the JPEG. And developing of block you will have, DCT you will have, and quantization you will have. Like this you need to remember it. Okay, so next one is compact disc and explain about CDDA. This is an important question. diagram also compulsory, you need to draw it. Okay, so as it is, whatever the diagram you are having, no need to draw. Whatever the just random drawings, you can draw it in the examination. Okay, but attempting the question paper is important. Attempting each and every question is must and should. And CD-ROM is also an important question from unit number 3. This 3 questions is enough. And from unit number 4, that is multimedia communication system and database and synchronization. So here the first one is collaborative dimensions. Collaborative dimensions is very much important. And the next one you are having QoS and QoS layering. QoS is nothing but quality of service. Okay, next you will have session management. Okay, so that 2 questions is enough. And last unit number 5, multimedia applications. In multimedia applications, the first important question is media preparation and what are the devices available in multimedia preparation. This is also an important question from unit number 5. Here you need to remember the audio support, video support, okay, head mountation display, surround displays, like that you need to remember. Okay, and the next question is explain in detail about consumption. Okay, viewing about multimedia documentation also important thing. So these 2 questions is important ma. And the last question we can expect is this one. Explain about the consumption. In consumption you need to draw this diagram. This diagram drawation is very much important. So in every unit I have given 3 question. If you want only passing marks, means prepare any 3 units, whatever the questions I have given from this video, it will be useful to you all. Okay students, all the very best for your today's examination. If you are having any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. I don't know how to explain the topics in multimedia, so that's why I'm not doing any explanation videos, so because I'm not that much expert in this subject. Okay, so this is all about the video students. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups, because this video will be useful for them also. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.